And more than 250 golfers took part in the grand finale of the NCBA Golf Series at the Muthaiga Golf Club in Nairobi. 90 of the golfers were drawn from the qualifiers held in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Rwanda, competing for the series top honors in the overall men, ladies, and junior categories.
And today is where we bring together all the qualifiers from those events for this grand finale. We are looking to award about 10 of those players at the end of today with such grand prizes that we recognize the golf. I must say, when we started this tournament 5 years ago, the scores that were being recorded were fairly poor, and in fact we struggled to award people who are not playing that well. I think today we can say the kind of players that we shall be awarding today are excellent players. More important is that the tournament has expanded. So it's not just today's grand finale tournament. It has given birth to the junior tournament, again across East Africa. We've had a lot of juniors play, some of them even qualifying for the world golf rankings, WAGA rankings. We have also partnered with the KGU to start the amateur golf tournament, through which amateurs from this country actually do earn a living. And indeed, we have even seen now amateurs from across the region wanting to participate in that competition.
And Kenya's Consolata